Do you look back at your day and think, what the heck did I do today? Did I even accomplish anything? What was it? I worked all day long, but I feel like I have zero to show for it. Do you ever feel like that? Yes, I think we all have those days. Even the most productive people can have the days where they feel incredibly unproductive. And that's okay. It happens. But when we see that it's a pattern that like every day after day after day is unproductive, then we know something is off and we need to change that. And one of the ways that I personally am able to track that is in Notion. I have a daily journal, and one of the things that's in there is 3 words on how the day was. And I'll link Marie's site or the Notion site on the office hours that she has the template to talk about her journal, because that's the one thing that I started with. And it's simple things. And it gives me, at the end of the month, I can look through and see how many times I selected the fact that I was unproductive that month. And it's like, it allows me to see patterns. Like, is it at the same time every month? Maybe. And what are those? And then I know that if I might be having a problem with it. And if I know, or if I can realize in the midst of the day, it's like, I am being unproductive. I am not getting everything done that I need to do. I simply restart my day. So, yeah, I can't go back in time wise, but I can go back in thinking wise and reset my mind. So whether that's just sitting down and doing a quick meditation so that I can clear everything coming out, whether I pick up my journal and actually start writing again and repeat the morning pages over again so that I can get everything out of my brain that's causing me to, excuse me, someone's thinking about me, causing me to stop, or yeah, again, today, words are hard for me, for stop being unproductive. Because then from that point, it like restarts my mind, restarts my thinking, and restarts the day. And I can come at it from a different angle. And one of the things that I know I have to do or like to do, and it's not, and it sets me up for the next day, is that I feel like a good morning starts the night before. And that's when I make sure that my coffee pot is filled. I have everything laid out for my lemon water. I have all of my things that I'm going to want in the morning, my earbuds, my Apple Pencil, my iPad. Like, everything is done. The dogs have food in their dish. Like, everything is set so that I know that my morning is actually going to function well for me and it's going to run smoothly. Because if my morning runs smoothly, my day will run smoothly. So I'm not sure if this is something that you run into as well. And then what do you do like when you're not prepared? Because right now, for us personally in our lives, it's a very busy season with the kids and their activities. So a lot of the times I'm sitting in a bleacher and I'm not getting home until 10:30 at night, which didn't give me any opportunity to actually start or set up my good morning. So what happens when I'm not prepared? And I'm going to be tired in the morning because I'm going to bed an hour past the time that I normally would. So it's just quickly doing the things that I know that I need to do. I make sure that my journal's out. I make sure that we have water in the coffee pot, and I make sure that my lemon water is ready to go, and then the dogs have the food because I don't want to be dealing with hungry puppies in the morning. So that is exactly how I make sure that I'm having that preparedness. And if I know I have a busy week coming up, I make sure that I have it planned the week before. Okay, so I usually plan every single week, but if I get to the end of the week and I follow the David Allen's getting things done, the GTD method with the weekly wrap up. So then I review everything from that week that I didn't get done and evaluate, okay, why didn't I get this done? Was there a roadblock that I ran into? Did I not have all the resources? Was my mental space just not where it needed to be? And I list off all of the things and really regroup on why I wasn't able to get it accomplished in that particular week. And then I know next week I can just take that information and move it forward. And also, if you look at your deadlines that you set for yourself, look at it not necessarily as setting the deadline for the day that actually has to be done, but give yourself some grace when you're planning out for things that come up, because things are always going to come up when you're doing your project plan. So if you actually can look at your project plan and put, no, this is the date that you want it, but move it up like a week, maybe 2 weeks, use that depending on how you know yourself and how you do things. So if you feel like things are always slipping for you week after week, then put that buffer time in there. It'll take a little bit of getting used to, and then you also have to frame it that in your mind that, oh, I have plenty of time because I put this buffer time in there. No, it has to be done no matter what on this date, but that buffer time is only there in case of emergency. Like, nothing else is going to work and you have to push it back. So that's another way to make sure that you're meeting your goals, and then you're not feeling quite as unproductive because you know that you're on top of things and you have this plan laid out and you know the next action that you need to do in order to get it completed. So I hope this helps you in turning those unproductive days into productive days. I always welcome any comments that you have, and I appreciate you and thank you for your day and your time.